At siya yung nakikita niya, di ba? Taasan ang kamay, panggugulo namin. Taasan ang bawal makopya sa amin eh. Yung kopyahan doon, simple lang eh. Pero, pag ang style niya sa Ria, problem, solve it. Tapos kung sino yung hindi nakakasabay, tatawagin niya yung attention. So, bigyan niya kanyang dahilan, ba't di makasabay. Pero, Ben is consistent, you know. Pag natama niya yung kopya ng problem, sigurado tama yung answer. Ganun po si Ben. And let's give a round of applause to Ben. Our salutatorian, she'll be speaking to us for months, but I know that the family the father is a teacher or the mother? Meron siyang teacher na nanay. At napakahalaga po na at napakaganda ng pangyayari dahil she was home at home and she was home at school and she became the salutatorian. Nothing much to say. Our salutatorian, Lynn.
Good evening po. I'm so happy to come here today. In fact, naisip ko pupunta pa ako hindi. Pero from the beginning, I have made the confirmation that I will come. Because we'll never know when we'll ever see each other again. So this is the chance, whether we have just 30 of us who's here right now out of the 240 in the batch, or around 12%. I just want to correct again the 30%. So it's around 12%. And then, it was true na Ben may not be the, what's this, how do you call it? In terms of grade, in our case, I was a salutatorian, but it's just, I have a higher grade in academics, but yes, extracurricular. And in my case, I don't have extracurricular activities. So, I don't have much to share as far as other things that happen. But, I have a mother who was a teacher, and now I'm also in the teaching business because I own a school now. So, and I realized when I was interviewing teachers for our school and find out teachers are different breed of people. You know, you could easily see a teacher and they don't go really for the salary. You know, their salary is almost like minimum wage. And then, but they're different. They still give you that much importance. They give so much time. And then, dun ko lang na-realize, grabe, ganun pa lang ang ginawa ng teacher sa atin. And I didn't know it until I had a chance to interview them. And I saw it for myself na makikita mo yung teachers. But unfortunately, there's not much of that breed now. Hindi ganun po kadami. So, anyway, much ado about it, but it's really, I'm really very grateful that we have our teachers here. And we had that breed of teachers. And sorry na lang yung mga bata ngayon, they don't have that. It's just a question of mas mataas ang sweldo sa public school than in private school. Diba? So, masaya ako na I was able to see that for myself and grew in a family with a mother who is also a teacher. But as I understood from the program, my job is simply to acknowledge everyone. But the first thing I really want to acknowledge are our teachers here. So we have Mr. Castillo, right? Is that yeah, vocational teacher. Right now it's now called PLE, right? So see Mrs. Villena, is that science ma'am? Yeah, a science teacher. Si Mrs. Sandoval, Filipino, yeah. And Mrs. Jesus, and subject. Social studies. So, and then, out of the 240 batch, members of the batch, we're able to get right now present, but not in spirit. The others are just here in the spirit. We have 30 of them, around 12%. Let's acknowledge Noel Parales, si Romeo Vergara. Romy came to the partner. Efren Dumage. Fermin Dizon. Sorry. Ricardo Mendoza. Evangeline Castillo. Evangeline Miguel Castillo. Si Nini Sabile. Ang ating news ni Ben dati. Makakabawi din ako sa'yo. Si Nick Gloria. Si Norman Bernardino. That's how many hairs away, no? Yeah. Si Elguy Gutierrez. Marilu Damiao. Ang news ng mga hindi na ba, si Jefferson Maningas. Marilu Landin. Ang asawa niya, hindi lang basta fiskal, delikado yan. Magaling din niyang kumanta. Si Florante Mateo. Of course, si Celeste Caico. Si Edmond Albania. Si Larissa Medina. Si Luz Beninter Roque Manese. Si Helen Estela. Si Wilfredo Estela. Noel Bandirila. Abelardo Tubal. Leto Ben Guinness. Of course, si Bel Generacion. Si Rogelio Neri. Esteban Semilla. Si Sonia Margon Salvanera. Antonio Day. Si Corazon Salamat Bartolo. Yeah, of course, ako si Carmina Marcelo. Before we acknowledge everybody who put this together, it's not an easy job. Mahirap to put it together. Ang daming kailangan konsulta, ang daming dapat gawin. But there was this intention. In my business, I am into the wellness business. Wellness kasi is not just wellness of the physical, but it's also the mind. And I really get touched by one of the things I read. It's about when we reach this age, it's not towards success. It's really towards significance. So I really find this occasion really very significant. Not so much for being successful, but I don't know what's success, but significant because we may not see each other anymore after this. In fact, after 35, 37 years, ngayon pa lang tayo magkikita uli and I'm really very happy that we have our teachers back and everybody here, maybe a little bit more on the bigger side, like me. Dati payat na payat, especially din na times 4. Yung iba naman, Dati maraming buhok, ngayon konti na lang, di ba? Or, so, and, yeah, around. Sige. So, with that, I'd like to acknowledge this everybody who came here, and I'm so happy that we're here together. Thank you.
Thank you. Siyempre po, sa lahat ng okasyon, meron kaming binibigyan ng sabi nga ni Carmelina, significance. Baka mali English po. Very significant po sila kasi sila yung early bird di ba? Abin, early bird sila. At karamihan ng, ay grabe, ang early bird natin, puro sila macho. Dalo kayo, kasi early birds.
Eto na ngayon.
Eto na. Do now, Honorable.
Number 1, Mr. Romy Vergara.
Romy Vergara, Spanish.
Fermin Dizon.
Sabi ko sa'yo, mga macho eh. Okay, and the third one is Mr. Ricardo Mendoza. Nung kami, yung si Aiden niya eh. Kasi babae yung apelyido niya eh. Nick Gloria.
Nick Gloria.
Okay, and the last but not the least is
Norman Fernandino.
hey, let's give the back. Teka muna, nagkamali yata ako ng scripture ng Ebon na nakarating dito sa ating pagtitipon.
Yeah, salamat sa
Ay,
inyo.
palakpakan po natin ang 5 Ebon.
Okay, the next is about our raffle. Raffle na.
May raffle po
Ito
tayo.
The winner of the most number of recruit members. So, yung pinakamarami pong nadala dito ng mga first-timers. So, we'd like to announce the winner. May we call on and let's give a big round of applause to Mrs. Clarissa Medina.
Saka mag-FB. Lagi siyang puyat. Nakawawa po dito yung husband niya, si Robert. Kasi lagi siya puyat sa FB.
Dapat pala may award din si
Dalawa
Robert.
pala sila. Ay, dalawa daw sila. Dalawa daw sila dapat sila dito.
Ito po si Robert.
Ito po yung...
Yan.
Raffle eh. Raffle, kasali tayo sa raffle. O, kasali. Teka, titignan ko po.
Minor prizes. Ano ibig sabihin ng minor? May definition ba yun? Kasi baka may abogado dito. Okay. Okay, let's start.
The first winner is... Withdraw. Okay, the first winner is...
The number is
Number...
029.
Eh, ako yun eh.
O, di, okay.
Hindi mo na lang ako pagkakataon na alam. Mamaya na pwede balik natin. Okay.
Ito po, pag nanalo sa minor, pwede pa rin manalo ulit
Ay,
mamaya.
talagang swerte-swerte lang to. Sana ba? Judge, salamat ha. Galing po ito sa inyo eh. Galing po ito kay Marilantin. Ako po yung nanalo. Sorry, ang swerte-swerte lang yan eh.
Yung second is from Evangeline Miguel. And split ko siguro to, si Fred. Number 020.
020. Who is it? Oh, ay swerte yung table namin. Okay. More?
Okay.
Ako muna ang bubunot. Baka mabunot ko si Ben. Oh, this is a 500 pesos worth gift certificate. And the winner is 009. Wala?
Baka isa doon sa mga impression na. From Bernardino.
Bernardino is 009. Okay.
Ang tawag mo ulit.
May ilang? 3 more? Okay.
Thank you, Norman. Next.
Next number is 015.
015.
Banya. Pre-draw, ito po ay talagang designated na manalo. Whether you like it or not, winner po sila 018.
018.
Okay, 018. Okay, congratulations. Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, what's next?
Maybe we can continue with the draw kasi wala pa yung mga
Ating mga
rank
artista.
model natin.
Meron po tayong mga rank model dito. Galing po sila sa Pegasus pa. Classmates.
Classmates, meron pa yun.
Bakit na ba alam ko yun?
Nadadaan ako.
Mystic. O, alam mo yun, Rayon. Magaling ko, no? Alam ko yung mga yun, ano? This one came from Miss Celeste Caico to the honor of it. Siyempre. Galing kasi kay Celeste. Those were the days, my dear.
Those were the days pa. Number 006.
006, Evangeline, congratulations! Pwede na ba? May gagamitin tayo. Travel light. Eto pa, marami pa palang bigay. Do the honor again. This lang. All of these things came from
Parang may
Celeste.
nakakata na ako dito. Tawag dito, nabe-burnout ako.
Hindi ka na ba-burn out? Ay, oo nga, mababurn out ka nga. Kasi ang ganda ni Celeste.
Teka muna. Bunutin natin, isa pa. Now it's, wow, ganda ng number. 001.
001. Okay, 001. Early bird.
Early bird.
Congratulations, Father. Okay, thank you.
Alright.
Okay, next. Tuloy-tuloy na natin. Alam ko ba yung mga napapagal natin? Okay, tuloy-tuloy na natin.
Siya naman.
Pwede bang hingi na lang niya isa?
O, yung mga models natin. Nandiyan na po
Okay,
kayo lahat.
Abel.
Another one. Oh, kanina 001. Now it's 011.
Uy, 011. 011. Ayun na. Siya po ay isang anak. Just call Deprosine Manila. Kasi mga apo niyo na lang.
Ano ba yun? Deprosine o Deprosine?
Deprosine.
Deprosine, okay.
Okay, tuloy-tuloy po tayo.
Nandiyan na sila.
Okay. It's 028. I know it's 028. 028. Sexy pa niya ngayon. Okay, now, ito na po yung ating mga ramp models. Last na daw. Another one. Last one, okay? Maraming salamat, Dr. Celeste. 025.
025.
025. Yan po, ayan. O, meron na tayong pang travel. So, partner, tawagin na natin yung mga model ng classmates.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay po. Ito na po ang ating mga models.
Ladies and gentlemen, from this corner, weighing 105 pounds during her days, kaya po siya madaling bumigay. Ito po ay binibining manotok ng Valenzuela. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Clarissa Medina Angeles. Medina Angeles. Okay na pala yun na turn right, turn left. Okay, about face. Siya po si Clarissa Medina. And now, of course, the Miss Araneta University Extension. Ladies and gentlemen, those were the days, my friend. Nung araw po, 98 pounds lang siya. At saka ang belong po niya, 22 lang. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Hernani Sabile. Up to the third. Right, left. Okay. And of course, ito po yung love interest ni Abel. Natatandaan ko po no, nandun kami kala Mrs. Herreria, natutulog si Celeste, ninakawan niya ng kaling. Totoo po yun, hindi po yung chismis. That's true, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Celeste Caico. Si Olivia John and the Chris.
Teka muna. Hindi ako na sinabi eh. Sumingit na. Yan.
Hindi na ako yung tulog eh.
O, ito naman po. Hindi ko masyado kilala yung nating
Contestant. Kalahok.
Kalaho.
Okay.
Kalaho. Parang,
Turo ni Mrs. Sandoval sa Pilipino yan.
ayan.
Okay.
Ito po ang dating binibining Manu Lantim. Ito mga boys na
Ito po, boys. Boys are gentlemen. Pero kahit po boy sila, mga passionista din po sila. Pero alam ko, maakyat lang ko sa bundok eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit mag-no-hotel ngayon. Ladies and gentlemen, brother po tawag ko dito eh. Noel Parales. Okay. Ay, ito po, hindi naman po ito sakit ng ulo ng mga teacher eh. Pero yung ate niya, takot kami sa ate niya, lagi kami nahuhuling walang ID. Ladies and gentlemen, fresh from Australia, Mr. Edgar Gutierrez. So, kailangan mag-costume. Kasi
Okay. Wow.
hindi po siya kasali sa contest. Dahil kung kasali po siya sa contest, wala pong mananalo kahit isa sa kanila. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present to you Fiscal Alex Jurado. Si Fiscal. Ayan po, talagang tingnan nyo. 60s and 70s po. Kulay ng ito, may lukas-lukas. Yan ang mga dito mo. So, ayun. Okay, and then next is number 7.
Number 7. Aba, ito na naman. Mr. Norman Bernardino.
Teka muna, akala ko ba boys?
Yan naman, ang pink naman.
Ang hirap pala pagka nawawala ng ano eh. Tapo, kung ano-ano nilalagay. Bahay na nagawa niya, ayan ang nangyari sa kanya.
Sige mo na, baka magkamali.
Bahay na
Pinipino na.
bahay po. Okay. And now, of course, another one. Another handsome boy during our college
Our Noel
days.
Magdirina.
Noel.
Oh, diba?
Siya po yung mga contestant natin.
Hey, ito po ang judging.